Hi, I'm Ayman, and this is a Lumina unboxing video. And let's get started. This is the Lumina version 0. You can simply open the box by sliding it from the side. The first thing that comes to sight is the Lumina. This is the atomic gray color. We also offer it in 3 other colors: the silver, gold, and rose gold. As you can see, it's fairly small in size. The next thing that comes to sight is a color tuning card. On the back, you can see the logo. On the front, you can see the color tuning palettes. Next is the pamphlet, which you can find all the information you need about the Lumina. In the first box, we have 2 USB-C cables. The first one is 80 cm and the second one is 150 cm. And that's for the sake of your convenience if you want to take the Lumina a little bit far during your setup. Last box, we have 3 items inside. First is the mount, which you can place the Lumina on it. Second is the hex key, so you can screw it in. And last but not least is the lens privacy cover. With this, you can expect 7 items inside the Lumina box. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.